Jayashree Radhe, exercise 15, para 4, dictation 80 words a minute, ready. It takes 2 to 3 years for an auditor to understand the working of a company. Full stop. All these questions were gone into the joint committee in great detail, and then it was found that no limit could be put. Full stop. Though the number of companies an auditor could audit could be limited. The period during which he should be allowed to audit a company was not found to be capable of limitation as feasible, and that was why it was rejected. Full stop. Another objection taken by the mover was that all the auditors are in the metropolitan areas. Full stop. Necessarily, they should be from the metropolitan areas. Full stop. They should know the working of companies. Full stop. How can an auditor residing in a small town whose only business is to audit the accounts of a small businessman for sales tax purpose or for the purpose of other commercial taxes be entrusted with the work of auditing a company's accounts? It is a complicated affair. It is not possible. Full stop. It is only in metropolitan cities that the auditors could carry on their profession. They get the whole time experience of accounts of the companies. Full stop. About costing. Also, I think the company law board can order an inquiry into the cost of production in a company. Full stop. I think all those provisions have been made after elaborate discussion. Full stop.